Well, joining us in the studio now is Mr. J.L. Kindler. He's the president of the Technologies Division of OriginClear Incorporated, or stock symbols OCLN. J.L., welcome to the program.
Thank you, Don.
Now, normally when we're talking to OriginClear, we're talking to Riggs Eckelberry, the CEO. We've got you today. Welcome to the program. Tell us a little bit about your background.
Well, you will hear it from my accent. I have quite an international background. I was born in France, and I spent some time in Asia working in the environmental and renewable energies industry. And I joined OriginClear about 4 years ago now.
Okay. Now, this water cleanup technology is really fascinating. What attracted you to the company?
Well, actually, I'm one of the first-time earlier investors in the company because I haven't known Riggs for quite a long time, and we created in France one of OriginClear's joint venture, Enesis, that was back in 2011. Okay. So the major interest for us was at that time the algae harvesting process that Origin Oil at that time had developed, and it really is simple, straightforward, efficient, and it was what we needed for that purpose in Enesis. Exactly. But having worked in the environmental industry for quite a long time, I was extremely fascinated, and I was really attracted by the idea of being able to treat water without using chemicals, because this is a major issue wherever you go in the world.
Well, you're absolutely right. And speaking of places in the world, the company put out a press release this week about your actions in Puerto Rico and your operations there. What can you tell us about that?
Yes, well, this is the water chain part of OriginClear, sorry. Well, this is quite interesting because this water chain project or concept that we are launching really comes at a time where there is a major need for water treatment decentralization, if I may say so. Puerto Rico right now, I read in the news yesterday that there was a total blackout there. Right. So there is still major issues for infrastructure, and we believe that local small-size initiatives would definitely be an answer to this issue. So these initiatives need capital, and we believe that the water chain project will definitely be a solution for this kind of issues. And then it would spread to other areas in the world, because water problems are not limited to Puerto Rico.
Now, you brought us a slideshow of several photographs. What can you tell us? Tell us what you're looking at.
Well, okay. So what you're looking at is our operations in OriginClear Technologies Division. We are manufacturing equipment. We have started this activity in China a few years ago. We are making equipment. We delivered our first commercial units there. And at the same time, we are also providing water samples testing, and also support to our local licensees. While we're doing that, we are also, of course, developing our technology here in our lab in LA, down at LACI.
So what's next for the company as we move forward in 2018?
Well, the company, as you certainly know, has three major activities. The one that I'm in charge of, which is technologies, will be definitely supporting and further developing our effort in creating a network of licensees throughout the world. Now we have licenses in China, in Europe, in Spain and France, in Brazil. We have licenses in the US too, and we support these licensees so that they really start developing business and go into commercial phase. So we have very good expectations on that side for this year. We expect significant orders, for example, from our licensee in Spain. And of course, we keep developing the technology because we are licensing, and licensing means that we need to develop IP and to make our technology even more efficient. So this is what we're doing.
Once again, OriginClear is the company. OCLN is the stock symbol. Fascinating interview, J.L. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.